Let's face it, taxis are a very convenient way to get around, which is why they remain so popular. But if you've been involved in an accident whilst travelling in one, you may find yourself wondering whether or not you can bring a claim for compensation. Today, I'm going to be looking at whether or not you can claim compensation if you've been involved in an accident whilst travelling in a taxi. As a passenger in a taxi, it is very rare that you would be responsible for an accident occurring. In the overwhelming majority of cases, the passenger will be seen as an innocent victim, and the person at fault will either be the driver of the taxi or another road user. Therefore, in most cases, you should be able to bring a claim. To begin this process, we highly recommend that you reach out to road traffic accident claim specialists like legalexpert.co.uk. We have countless years' experience in dealing with claims of this nature, and it'll only take just a quick conversation with us to help us determine what your next best step is. You can contact us on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We offer a free, no obligation session where we'll help you establish whether we believe your claim has merits. To do this, we'll have a few questions to ask you, including: where was the accident? When did the accident happen? How did the accident happen? What injuries did you sustain? Are you going to suffer any long-term health issues or lose earnings as a result of the accident? We also believe that there are a number of steps you can take to help us build a strong case for you, including taking photographs at the scene of the accident, including, where possible, the registration numbers of all vehicles involved, collecting all driver information and the contact details of any witnesses to the accident, as a statement may need to be taken from them at a later date. Keep track of all expenses incurred as a result of your accident, including any medical costs, travel expenses, loss of earnings, and so on. You should also get your injuries assessed by a medical professional. Make a note of when this assessment took place, as it will make it much easier to trace records at a later date. If we believe that we're able to assist you in bringing a claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. That means no upfront fees to worry about, and if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are road traffic accident claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.